Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, it's our lecture second of maths. We were done with 2 questions. Now the third question is identify which of the following is a prime factorization. And we are given 6 parts and we have to find out which of the following is a prime factorization. Students, while doing these questions, we should take 2 things into mind. There should be 2 criteria of doing these things. The first one should be the factors that are written on the right hand side, they all should be prime factors. They all should be prime numbers. So let's check the first criteria. If any number will pass the first, then we'll go on the second one. See, if I could see here it is written 4. So 4 is not a prime number. So this can't be the prime factorization. Now coming on the second part, 7, 2, 3, 2, 2. All are prime factors. It passes the first criteria. Let's keep it as it is. Now third, it's 25. It is also not a prime factor. So this can't be the answer. 14, no. It can be because all are prime factors. What about this? This is 8 and 8. They are not prime numbers. Okay. So our B and E, it passes our first criteria. Now the second criteria is we should check whether these factors multiply to make this number. For example, let me show you. It's 168. So all these numbers should be multiplied to get 168. So 7 2s are 14. 14 into 3 is 42. 42 into 2 is 84. And 84 into 2 is 168. So yes, it is a prime factorization because 168 can be written in these terms and all are prime factors as well. Now coming on the E part, okay, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 into 3 is 54 and 54 into 3 is 162. But on the left it's written 182. So this is not the correct factorization. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Now the fourth question is write the smallest 4-digit number and find its prime factorization. Dear students, in this question I have to first write what is the smallest 4-digit number. As we know, the smallest 1-digit number is 1, smallest 2-digit number is 10, 3-digit number is 100 and the 4-digit number will be 1000. So I have written here smallest 4-digit number is equal to 1000 and prime factorization can be done like this. I have written 1000 here. So I'll check from starting from 2, I'll check whether this will come in any table. So it is coming on in the table of 2. So 2 500s are 1000. Then 2 into 250 is 500. 2 into 125 is 250. Then 5 into 25 is 125. 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So students, this is the prime factorization. Therefore 1000 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. I hope this question is clear. Now coming on the fifth question, write the largest 4-digit number and find its prime factorization. Students, please pause this video for some time and try to do this question on your own. So the question number 5, largest 4-digit number will be 9999. So its prime factorization will be, I'll write 4 times 9 here. Then I'll check starting from 2, it's coming on which table. So it is coming in the table of 3. So 3 into 3339 will be 9999. Same here, 3 into 1111 will be 3, 4 times 3. Fine. So 1111, if I'll check the tables, it is not coming in any table until I'll come in the table of 11. So 11 into 101 is 1111. So 101 into 1 is 101. So the prime factorization will be 3 into 3 into 11 into 101. Now students, the question number 6 is write the name of the factors that are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number. So students, in this question we have to write down that factor or that number that we don't include in the prime factorization of a composite number. Students, you should first remember this thing, that prime factorization will only be for composite numbers, because in prime numbers there won't be any prime factorization. For example, if I want to write the prime factorization of 2, it will be simply 1 into 2, because a prime number has only two factors, the numbers 1 and the number itself. So in this composite number, that factor which is not included at all will be 1, because 1 is a factor in this, but we will not include that in this. So only 1 is the only factor that is not included in a prime factorization of a composite number. I hope this exercise is clear to everyone. I'll want you all to write it down, try it sometimes, and inshallah you will be able to do it very easily.